Hey friends, who's hungry? Baked beans have long been a staple of barbecue gatherings. Today, I'm taking my favorite baked beans recipe and elevating it by smoking it on our pellet grill. Preheat the pellet grill to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Brown 1 pound of ground beef in a large Dutch oven over medium-high heat. Break the meat into pieces using a wooden spoon and cook until the meat is no longer pink, about 8 to 10 minutes. Using a slotted spoon, remove the hamburger from the pot and set aside. Then reserve 2 tablespoons of the grease and return the pot to the heat. Add 1 diced medium yellow onion and 1 diced medium green bell pepper. Sauté the vegetables, stirring often for 8 to 10 minutes until the onion and bell pepper are tender. Return the hamburger meat to the pot, then add 2 28-ounce cans of original flavored baked beans, 2 tablespoons of yellow mustard, 2 tablespoons of brown sugar, 1/4 cup of barbecue sauce, and 1/4 cup of maple syrup. Stir until the ingredients are combined and the mixture is heated through. Then season the beans with salt and pepper to taste. Chop 7 strips of uncooked bacon and layer the bacon over the top of the beans. Smoke the beans for 1 hour until the bacon starts to curl around the edges and the beans are bubbling. Looking for more recipes? Be sure to follow me.